What's up, YouTube? Driving the Bug right now. I got the windows up. I think it looks pretty clear though. I'm gonna see if this thing will roll some coal for us. This is a totally stock 2005 VW New Beetle, 1.9 liter TDI. Getting ready to come up to this roundabout. Excuse me. So I'm hoping to get it tuned and deleted very soon. Now I keep talking about it. It's just not happening. But I'll get there as soon as car problems go away. Look at that. She's still going a little bit. Woo-wee! It's like this thing has stock everything. There's no work done to it. 183,000 miles. Or it's probably a little dark. Turn the lights on, see if that helps. Yep, 183,000 miles, 204. Right now I'm 139.5 miles, just over a 3/4 tank of diesel. This Bug seems to get right around 42 to 44 to the gallon. That's higher than what you'll find like on the EPA estimate website. And I don't know why. Maybe because all the roads around here are 55 miles an hour. It's steady going. You can set the cruise and just ride. And you're always in 55 to 60 miles an hour, and normally you're behind somebody, sort of like I am. So that probably helps with my mileage a little bit. Really like the car. I will be getting the EGR delete ordered today. I found one for like 35 bucks online, so I'm gonna take a gamble, order it off of eBay, even though my account got hacked about a year or two ago on eBay and somebody spent $300. Thankfully it wasn't more than that. Somebody spent $300 on themselves. So whoever you are, I hate you and I hope you die, or at least get your legs broken. But yeah, I mean this thing's great. I don't know, got the tint on. This is what it looks inside. 20%, that's a 5% brow, and then I have 20% on all the windows all the way around. And the reason I didn't roll the window down, because I have all this stuff in back. There's frozen stuff buried in there. And it's so crazy. It's 70 miles to get to Sam's Club, so I'm doing about 140 miles round trip to get some stupid food. But hey, when we stock up, we stock up. Yeah, it's freaking comfy. We drove it down to Texas and back. The serpentine belt, the idler, the tensioner pulley, sorry, I can't think of what it is today. That had decided that it didn't want to tension the belt anymore. It gave way when I was about 45, 50 miles away from my house, so had to get that taken care of. But the car just runs great. Picked it up from this old lady, real nice girl in Illinois. I think it was called Beldenville, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. Trailered it back, and I haven't had to do anything to it other than that belt, but yeah, I mean, we just bought it and kept driving it. So pretty neat little car. I never knew much about them, you know, with the paint matched interior on the doors, kind of nice touches here and there. Still got the heated seats even though they're cloth, traction control because it makes so much horsepower or something. At least I got this thing to transmit my radio for now until I figure out what kind of a stereo I want to put in here. The Monsoon is actually pretty darn decent though. Really don't have many complaints about it. Again, EGR delete coming today, and yeah, I'll probably have a check engine light from what I get out of it. That's expected, but after I get my tune, once I decide who I want to go with, I think I'm leaning towards Malone tuning. I'll probably pull the trigger on them, get that ordered, get rid of the check engine light, bump up the power, get some extra miles per gallon out of it. Heck, all I have to do next is somehow figure out how to get a diesel in my minivan, because I don't see a point in a gas engine right now, so I know it's probably going to be inflammatory. No, I'm kidding, gas engines are awesome too, but I love the diesels right now. That's definitely my thing, except for my sport bike. I'm all about the diesel. A lot of fun, great range, mileage, the torque is great. There's something to be said about, like, even driving this little 1.9 liter, going uphill like I am right now, it's not going to have to downshift. I'm doing 40 miles an hour in 5th gear, and I'm under 2,000 RPM, and the thing is just going to climb. It makes torque, and it doesn't stop making torque. And so I can keep up with cars in front of me. It doesn't downshift, so your economy stays pretty dang well, as long as you're not getting deep into boost, which no, I don't have a boost gauge, but you know, obviously you can tell if you're not flooring it or even half throttle, you're probably not in a boost all that much. It's a fun car. I mean, I've thoroughly enjoyed it so far. The only complaint I really have is stupid cup holders. So if you see it, look at that, it swivels like that, but how am I supposed to get my drink out of there? So I just gotta have it like this. So as far as I'm concerned, this thing only has one cup holder, because you can only use the one unless you have a short drink in there. And if you got something like, say, I don't know, like an 8.4 ounce Red Bull, it would just sit in here and wobble around anyway and probably tip out. So, you know, I don't know why they did that. It's kind of annoying, but you know, it is what it is. And I guess other than that, you know, the long dashboard, some people complain about, but it just doesn't bother me. There's bigger things to worry about. Got the oh crap handle. Handle up there. The moonroof. Garage door opener over there. Obviously not part of the car. And then this display is kind of neat. Got my little phone holder over there for when I do GPS, since the stereo is not capable. See if I can roll coal again. There's a little bit coming out, but it's more of a haze. Anyway, no, I don't drive around like that all the time, just doing it for the video. Other than that, I like to stay in the lower RPMs, really, unless I hop on the interstate. There's no reason to get this thing much over 2,000 RPM, so you can do pretty darn well on the mileage. When I'm doing, like you can see 60 miles an hour right now, there's the automatic 6-speed. I'm just over 2,000, maybe 2,100 is where it's sitting right now. When I'm on the interstate doing about 75 miles an hour, this thing's right around 2,750 RPMs. And it seems to get a bit lower, like 36 to 38 to the gallon. It doesn't drop a whole lot, but it definitely does drop. I don't have anything else. Thanks for watching. Until next time, please like and subscribe.